Hi everyone, welcome to my Sarap Spoken English channel. Today we will discuss the story. The story is The Clever Merchant and the Whatnot Tree. The Clever Merchant and the Whatnot Tree. Once a merchant was traveling with his caravan. ଥରେ ଜଣେ ମାର୍ଚେଣ୍ଟ ଆଉ ଜଣେ ବ୍ୟବସାୟୀ was traveling ଯାତ୍ରା କରୁଥିଲେ with his caravan ତାର caravan द्वारा. Caravan means a you can say sagad gadi. Actually, the sagad gadi is used to use in the ancient state or in the past time. They stop near a village. ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଗାଁ ପାଖରେ ଅଟକିଲେ and camp for the night. and ସେମାନେ ରାତିରେ ରହିବା ପାଇଁ କ୍ୟାମ୍ପ କଲେ ସେଠି. Near their camp stood a tree which looked like a mango tree. ସେମାନଙ୍କର କ୍ୟାମ୍ପ ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ ଟ୍ରି ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଇଥିଲା which looked like a mango tree, ଯାହାକି ଦେଖାଯାଉଥିଲା ମ୍ୟାଙ୍ଗୋ ଟ୍ରି ପରି. The merchant saw the tree and said to his servant. ମାର୍ଚେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖିଲା ଗଛକୁ ଏବଂ ତାର ଚାକରମାନଙ୍କୁ କହିଲା, This tree does look like a mango tree. ଏହି ଗଛ ମ୍ୟାଙ୍ଗୋ ଟ୍ରି ପରି ଦେଖାଯାଏ, but it is a poisonous whatnot tree. but ଏଟା poison tree କାଁ ଟ୍ରି ହେ ଯେ ଜଣା ନାହିଁ ନା ବୋଲି କହିଲା. Do not eat its fruit. ତାର fruit के नहीं ଖାଇବ ବୋଲି କହିଲା. Unfortunately, some of his servants ignored the warning out of hunger. They ate the fruit and died. ଦୁର୍ଭାଗ୍ୟବଶତଃ କେତେକ ତାର ସର୍ଭେଣ୍ଟ ତାର ୱାର୍ନିଂ କେ ଇଗ୍ନୋର କଲେ. ତାର ୱାର୍ନିଂ ଯେନ୍ଟା ଦେଇଥିଲା ସେମାନେ ଇଗ୍ନୋର କଲେ ଆର ଭୋକର ମାରି they ate the fruit and died. ସେମାନେ fruit କେ ଖାଇଦେଲେ and ମରିଗଲେ. The next day, ତାପରେ ଅନ୍ୟ ଦିନ, some villagers came to the campsite expecting to see dead people, but they were in for a surprise as the merchant and his men were alive. Next day, some villagers କେତେକ ଗାଁ ଲୋକ କ୍ୟାମ୍ପ ସାଇଟକୁ ଆସିଲେ, ଆଶା କରିଥିଲେ ମଲା ମଣିଷକେ ଦେଖବା ଲାଗି. but they were in for a surprise. ସେମାନେ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହେଇଗଲେ ଯେହେତୁ ମାର୍ଚେଣ୍ଟ ଆଉ ତାର ଲୋକମାନେ ବଞ୍ଚିଥିଲେ. They asked the ମାର୍ଚେଣ୍ଟକୁ ପଚାରିଲେ, how it so happened that you are alive? କ'ଣ ହେଲା ଯେ ତମେ ବଞ୍ଚିଲ? କିପରି ବଞ୍ଚିଲ? ପଚାରିଲା. Why did you not eat the fruit of this tree? ସେ କହିଲା କାଁ କାଜି ଏଇ ଗଛର ଫଳ କେ ନେଇ ଖେଲ? Why do you not eat the fruit of this tree? The merchant replied dala, I noticed that the fruit of this tree had not been plucked by anyone. Merchant कहला मुई नोटिस कली जे ई गछर फल केही भी नहीं तुलवा. तो मते टिके से भावला मते टिके डाउट लागला. Thus there was something wrong with them. ତେଣୁ କରି କିଛିଟା ଗୋଟେ ସେ ଫଳ ଭିତରେ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ରଙ୍ଗ ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ ଅଛି. There were not to be eaten. ସେଥିଲାଗି ସେଟାକେ କେହି ବି ସେମାନେ ଖାଇଲେନି. Everyone appreciated the merchant's wisdom. ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଲୋକ ମାର୍ଚେଣ୍ଟର ବୁଦ୍ଧିମାନିକେ ପ୍ରଶଂସା କଲେ. Thank you.